In the mid-19th century Ratanakosin period, Thai green curry was a dish reserved for royalty. Prepared in lavish palace kitchens, it symbolized status and sophistication. Key ingredients like lemongrass, kaffir lime, and fresh herbs were ground in gold-adorned mortars, reflecting the opulence of Thai courts. This scene explores how royal chefs meticulously crafted the curry, blending spices to create a harmonious flavor profile unique to the palace. As trade routes expanded, the ingredients for Thai green curry began to spread beyond palace walls. Spice merchants traveled by boat along bustling riverside markets, bartering chilies, coconut milk, and galangal. These traders played a pivotal role in democratizing the curry, making its components accessible to local communities. This scene highlights the vibrant exchange of goods that laid the foundation for the dish's widespread popularity. In rural Thai villages, farmers cultivated the essential ingredients for green curry. Eggplant, basil, and galangal grew in terraced fields under the tropical sun. Villagers hand-picked these herbs and ground them into curry paste using wooden bowls, preserving traditional methods. This scene showcases the agricultural roots of the dish and the communal effort behind its preparation. Thai green curry became a cherished family recipe passed down through generations. Grandmothers taught their grandchildren the art of stirring the curry in clay pots over open fires, ensuring the flavors remained authentic. This scene captures the intimate moments of culinary tradition, where woven baskets of ingredients and shared stories kept the dish alive in home kitchens. By the late 19th century, Thai green curry had become a staple of street food culture. Wooden carts, steamed with pots of the fragrant dish, served in banana leaf bowls to locals. This scene depicts the communal aspect of the curry, where it transitioned from a royal delicacy to a beloved everyday meal, uniting people across social classes. The globalization of Thai green curry began at bustling ports where wooden crates labeled in Thai and foreign scripts were loaded onto ships. Curry paste and coconut milk became sought-after exports, introducing the dish to new cultures. This scene highlights the pivotal role of maritime trade in spreading Thai cuisine worldwide. During the colonial era, Thai green curry encountered foreign culinary traditions. British and Indian influences led to fusion adaptations, such as serving curry with rice and Western utensils. This scene explores how the dish evolved while retaining its core identity, reflecting the cultural exchanges of the time. In modern Bangkok, upscale restaurants have elevated Thai green curry to an art form. Chefs garnish the dish with microgreens and serve it in sleek ceramic bowls, blending tradition with contemporary flair. This scene showcases the culinary innovation that has made the curry a symbol of Thailand's gourmet scene. Today, Thai green curry is accessible worldwide thanks to mass production. Supermarket shelves are stocked with canned coconut milk and ready-made curry paste, allowing anyone to recreate the dish at home. This scene reflects the democratization of the curry, from royal courts to global kitchens. The journey of Thai green curry culminates in home kitchens where modern cooks follow recipes on smartphones to recreate the dish. A bubbling pot of curry on a stove echoes its royal origins, now accessible to all. This scene celebrates the dish's enduring legacy and its place in global cuisine.